Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a 1973 Dodge Charger. Now, this car was a one family-owned car its whole life. We just purchased this car from its original owner, and this car is awesome. Has a numbers matching 340 cubic inch engine underneath the hood with a manual 4-speed transmission. As well, this car has power steering, it has power brakes, it has disc brakes on the front, it has factory air conditioning, and yes, it does have the pistol grip shifter. Has 17-inch Opar rally wheels, aluminum wheels, new tires. This car has had one repaint in its life, and the paint looks very, very nice on this car. Factory hood pins, factory vinyl top, bucket seats, factory center console. Beautiful car. You can see how nice the paint is on this car. The glass is in good shape on this car. Seats are nice, carpet's nice, door panels, door jambs. Has a few little chips right here on the inside of the door. Back seats in very good shape. Package tray. A couple aftermarket speakers there too. This car, the only thing I know this car does need, it will need a headliner. It's got a few bad spots on the headliner. It's not falling down, but it does have a few bad spots on the headliner. Factory gauges. Aftermarket tack there. There's your pistol grip shifter. Underneath there. Tail lights, side marker lights. This car is super solid underneath as well. It's got a lot of the factory undercoating still on the car. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. There's really not a whole lot of imperfections to point out on the car and the paint that I can find. It looks very, very nice. The doors open and shut very nice. It's super nice down on the bottom of the car as well. Stripes look great. The rear bumper on the car, it does have a few, some pitting in the rear bumper on this and a couple little scratches right here. And then the only other thing I can tell you that's bad, it does have a little bit of imperfections in these pieces. I was going to paint these like a flat gray. I didn't do it. I figured, maybe somebody else would want to do something with them. So just give us a call. Our phone number here at Kenyon Classics, 563-452-2450, www.kenyonauto.com. Very, very rare car, guys. 1973 Dodge Charger 340 factory 4-speed with the options, steering, brakes, and air conditioning. You don't see that every day, and you don't get to buy one that's a one family-owned car. So, really appreciate you watching my videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This beautiful car will not last long here at Kenyon Classics. Give us a call today. Have a great one, guys.